How to read the two-legged pullback indicator. The two-legged pullback indicator uses numbers to count legs and a simple color scheme to identify the type of legs. The color scheme for two-legged pullback indicator is simple. The dark green and dark red numbers represent second entries. The pink numbers and the light green numbers show pullbacks that are 2 or more. That's important to know because the reversal after a pullback that is either 2 or more will be a second entry. And so when you see a pink number or a light green number, you know the next reversal will be a second entry. That helps you anticipate the upcoming second entry. The magenta boxes identify traps on the chart or failed second entries. Failed second entries are simply second entries that fail to make a scalper's profit, which is 5 ticks. 1 tick for the stop entry and 4 ticks for the point. And lastly, you have gray numbers. The gray numbers simply represent first entries and first pullbacks. They are typically the very beginning of a series of a two-legged pullback. And that's how you read the two-legged pullback indicator.